In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams efficiently and quickly. Stick around as we go through this straightforward process step by step. The goal here is to get you up and running with Microsoft Teams without any hassles. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you normally use. Once your browser is open, you'll want to head to the search bar located at the top of the page. Here, type in Microsoft Teams download page and hit enter. This will show you a list of search results. Look for the official Microsoft Teams website, typically the first or second link, titled something along the lines of Download Microsoft Teams. Click on that link to be directed to the official download page. It's important to ensure that you are visiting the official Microsoft site to avoid any security risks associated with downloading files from untrustworthy sources. Now that you are on the Microsoft Teams download page, you should see a prominent button usually labeled as Download Teams. Click on it. When you do this, what you're effectively doing is instructing your browser to start downloading the installer file needed to set up Teams on your computer. The next step is simply to wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. You can monitor the progress by looking at your browser's download section, which often appears as an icon or in the bottom corner of your screen, indicating how much of the download is completed. Once the download is finished, it's time to locate the installer file. Most commonly, this file will have gone straight into your computer's default download folder. Open your Downloads folder to find the newly downloaded file. Its name will likely include Teams, followed by a sequence of numbers representing the version. With the file located, double-click on it to initiate the installation process. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to run the file. Go ahead and confirm. Now you'll be presented with a series of on-screen instructions that will guide you through the installation process. Each step will usually involve clicking Next or Install to proceed. Don't worry, these instructions are clear and made to be user-friendly, requiring just a few clicks to complete. After following all of these steps, congratulations! You should have Microsoft Teams successfully installed on your computer, ready for use. You can now find the app among your list of applications and open it to start collaborating and communicating seamlessly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy exploring the features of Microsoft Teams.